Hey guys, it's your boy JC here, and today we're going to go over how to trim your fender flares as well as roll your fenders for your Mark II Golf or Jetta. And to do this, you're going to need a few things: a rubber mallet, a heat gun, a fender roller, as well as your jack stand, your jack sockets, as well as your breaker bar to get your wheels off. Alright, so let's refer to this picture real quick. Basically, you don't have to cut your flares or roll your fenders past these two green arrows here on this picture. When in doubt, you're going to want to refer to the two mounting screws on each side that attach the fender flares to the fenders, close to where these green arrows are. Alright, so I didn't show it here, but basically the first step is to take off the flares, and then you start heating up that fender lip with a heat gun. You're going to do this for at least 2 to 3 minutes. You're going to want to get it nice and warm. After doing so, you're going to take that rubber mallet and gently tap that fender lip inwards towards the fender and try to get it bent to about 45 degrees. This gives you a better start for when you start using the fender roller, allowing you to start at a good angle. And here is pretty self-explanatory. You use your lug bolts to attach the fender roller to your hub. You're going to want to manipulate the distance of the fender roller to your fender, as well as the height, as well as the angle. And the key is to work at it slowly. It'll all make sense when you do it, but basically go slow, go step by step, and apply heat with the heat gun when necessary. Eventually it's going to get to the point where the fender lip is rolled flat against the fender, and that's when you can say that you were done. Didn't show it here, but you're going to want to add like some silicone between your rolled fender lip and your fender to keep water from coming in. But yeah, that's pretty key. Here I'm showing you how I cut the fender flare, so just copy what I did here. Like I said, between those two green arrows that I showed you from that picture earlier. And here I'm just reattaching the fender flare. You're going to notice that the top portion of where you cut won't have a mounting tab for the screw there. So what you're going to want to do is use some double-sided tape to hold the top arch of your fender flare to your fender. And after that, you should be good. Finally, the rears are the same. Just make sure to put your parking brake down and make sure that you're not in gear. Alright guys, if you have any questions, feel free to message me in the comment section below. I'll answer them as best as I can. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to watch more videos on the Mark II, we're only driving it for 1 more month until we start taking it apart and do some restorative body work to it. Subscribe to this channel, give this video a like, and share it with your friends. As always, be thankful for today. Peace.